Welcome to a lesson on stick multiplication, which I've also seen called Mayan multiplication or Japanese multiplication. It's a nice way to model multiplication using the intersection of sticks. So as our first example, to model 4 times 2, if each blue stick equals 1, we'll begin by modeling 4, which would be 4 blue sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for times 2, we'll model 2 using 2 blue sticks in a different direction, let's say this direction here. Every intersection point of 2 blue sticks represents 1 times 1 or 1. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is the product of 4 and 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have 15 times 4. Because 15 contains a 1 in the tens place value, we'll now use a green stick to represent 10, and we'll still use a blue stick to represent 1. So to model 15, we would have 1 green stick, that's 10, and then 5 blue sticks for 5. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then for times 4, we'll model 4 using 4 blue sticks in a different direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, every intersection point of a blue stick and a green stick represents 1 times 10 or 10. So here we have 10, 20, 30, 40. And each intersection point of 2 blue sticks still represents 1 times 1 or 1. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So 15 times 4 is equal to 40 plus 20, or 60. 15 times 4 equals 60. Next, let's take a look at 12 times 13. So to model 12, we'll have 1 green stick, that's 10, and 2 blue sticks, so that's 10, 11, 12. And now for times 13, for 13 we'll have 1 green stick, that's 10, and 3 blue sticks, 10, 11, 12, 13. The intersection points of 2 greens represents 10 times 10 or 100. So here we have 100. Each intersection point of a blue and a green represents 1 times 10 or 10. So here we have 10, 20, 30. And here we have 10, 20. Each intersection point of 2 blues represents 1 times 1 or 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which means 12 times 13 equals 100 plus 30 plus 20 plus 6, or 156. 12 times 13 equals 156. Stick multiplication is also a nice way to visualize partial products, which we'll take a look at in our next lesson. Let's take a look at one more example. Here we want to model 32 times 24. So for 32, we'll start with 3 green sticks. That would be 10, 20, 30, and then 31, 32, and then times 24. So for 24, we'll have 2 green sticks. That's 10, 20, and 4 blue sticks. So 21, 22, 23, and 24. Each intersection point of 2 greens represents 10 times 10 or 100. So here we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. The intersection points of a blue and a green represents 1 times 10 or 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. And here we have 10, 20, 30, 40. And then finally, The intersection points of two blues represents 1 times 1 or 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means 32 times 24 equals 600 plus 120 plus 40 plus 8. So 32 times 24 is equal to 768. So if you're looking for a method to visualize multiplication, I think you might find this helpful. Thank you for watching.